Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to change the language in QGIS. Maybe you've installed QGIS and noticed it's in the wrong language. Or you just prefer using the software in another language. Don't worry, it's easy to fix. First, open QGIS. Then go to the Settings menu at the top. From there, click on Options. In the Options window, look for the General tab. It should be selected by default. Scroll down until you find the Locale section. Here, you'll see a checkbox that says Override System Locale. Check that box. Then choose your preferred language from the drop-down menu. Once you've selected the language, click OK at the bottom of the window. QGIS might need to restart for the changes to take effect. Close QGIS and open it again. You should now see the interface in the language you selected, and that's it. You've successfully changed the language in QGIS. In the next video, I'll show you how create and style shapefiles in QGIS. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.